In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about how Encap-Punch and Encap-Clean DS2 work together to make dirty carpet easy to clean. Stay tuned. Hey there, Encappers. I want to share a really cool trick with you today that will help you on your Encap jobs. You're cleaning with Encap-Clean DS2. Let's say you're using a Cymex machine or an orbital machine or rotary machine, whatever machine you're using with Encap-Clean DS2. It is our superstar product when it comes to Encap cleaning. But if you've got a really soiled carpet and you really need to loosen the soil up, a nice trick is to use Encap-Punch. Really works well. These two products work together, and here's why. The polymer that we use, the crystallizing polymer, that Crystalon 3 polymer that's in Encap-Clean DS2 is also an Encap-Punch. So everything that makes it work well as a pre-spray is balanced with that polymer. So in fact, if you were to put this on the carpet straight, it wouldn't attract soil, it would actually resist soil. This can be used also as a hot water extraction rinse detergent. It's CRI approved, can be used for bonnet cleaning applications. It carries a lot of weight. It's a great product. If we were to introduce, say, some other brand of encapsulation pre-spray, and it's not that I'm trying to sell you against encapping with somebody else's product. The problem is we're going to compromise the polymer, and so it's not going to dry down properly. Whereas this product was designed, Encap-Punch was designed to work with Encap-Clean DS2. They work well together. The advantage to using them together, and I've seen this in my own carpet cleaning business for years, we would take really heavily soiled traffic areas, for example, pre-spray with Encap-Punch, mixes between 8 to 12 ounces per gallon depending on the soil loads, and even on the lower end on dilution gives us some additional dwell time to loosen the soil up. Then when we come behind with Encap-Clean DS2, here's what happens, and this is what's cool. We can actually use a little less solution on the Encap-Clean DS2. In other words, you'll feather out a little less solution to get similar results, and you're going to see a quicker pop. It's going to respond more quickly because it had that additional time with the solvents that are in Encap-Punch to loosen the embedded soil and make it easier to address with Encap-Clean DS2. So there's kind of a synergy between these two products that works really nicely together. And you're not really going to be using really more product per se because you're actually going to use a little less Encap-Clean DS2. So it kind of balances out. But the upside is that it's going to make it quicker and easier for you to get the results you're looking for. So hopefully this little trick will help you with your more soiled carpets, certainly help you max your Encap. That's what we're all about here at Excellent Supply. We want to thank you for watching this episode. Please, if you would, give us a thumbs up, share your comments below, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.